Hi, this is Tina here. I'll take you through our view on infrastructure sector and what we expect from Union Budget. Normally, infrastructure sector looks at Union Budget in terms of higher allocation in different segments. If we see the performance of construction sector in past couple of years, it has continued to remain subdued, and it was impacted by issues such as policy paralysis, delays in environmental clearance, and land acquisition related problems. This had led to inadequate amount of order inflows and even impacted the execution of the companies. Along with this, steep increase in the interest rates coupled with lack of fundraising from the companies resulted in deterioration of the balance sheet of the companies. We now expect Union Budget to address some of these concerns, though some action has already taken in the form of setting up of National Investment Board, but we would be expecting further progress on National Investment Board so that it can provide a single window clearance and can actually reduce the delays in completing the projects. Along with this, we also expect higher allocations for different segments of infrastructure such as roads, ports, power, urban infra, water supply, irrigation, which would actually result in boosting the order inflow for the entire sector. In order to improve the viability of the projects, there are some demands that MAT to be abolished, the minimum alternate tax to be abolished during the tax holiday period under Section 80IA benefits. We don't expect that to materialize because it would impact overall tax collections for the government. But overall, we expect Union Budget to be positive for infrastructure sector. Our topics in the sector would be IRB Infra, ILFS Transportation Network and Pratibha Industries.